Hello, I'm going to share with you the 10 steps to turn your passion into a business. See, the number one secret to being successful online with your own business is to be passionate about it. If you are doing it just for money, you will get bored very easily and you will lose interest when money is not coming fast enough to your liking. Whereas if you do it with passion, money will be rolling in and you will be successful before you know it. So live your passion. Number two secret is that you need the right mindset to become an online entrepreneur, and often it is not something that comes naturally. For instance, like you decide to create a business around Zen meditation or law of attraction or bread making, you will need to treat it as a business, which means showing up every day, taking responsibilities, and being accountable for your actions as any business owner would be. Now comes the question like, how are you going to turn your passion into an online business? Well, step number one is define your passion. You your love for cooking or yoga or languages or photography or travel or tech or finance or creatives can be the starting point of your entrepreneurship, but you really need to define exactly what you could do, who do you want to work with, and how you are going to offer your services or products. Once you have clarified all this, you need to determine if there is a need for this in the market. So, market research is really important at this stage. Are there any similar businesses around? What is their offering? Are they specializing in a special in a specific market or audience? And uh, you need to ask questions like that. Once you are clear about what exactly you want to do, now you need to step number two. Moving on to step number two, like it is, you need to have the skills. Can you do it alone or do you need a professional help? So, if you want to be successful, I would sincerely advise you to consider outsourcing some of the work, such as website creation or social media, and find a coach or mentor to save months and years of trial and errors that will help you uh, get the shortcut to turning your passion into a profitable online business. Now, moving on to step three, you need to ask yourself, like, are you ready to treat your passion as a business? You will probably working hard than in the previous jobs or previous businesses. Being your own boss isn't always glamorous. It will mean spending hours and days behind a computer doing marketing or updating your website or social media accounts. So working on your laptop at the beach is only really for the picture. Don't let Instagram fool you, trust me. So you need to treat it as a real business, and you have to work like a proper business owner. Now, step number four is start today. See, not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, or whenever you feel ready. Again, I speak from my experience when I say start today, no matter what. If you are spending 6 months figuring out what will you do online, you will have lost 6 months of learning about all things related to your industry or entrepreneurship. So start today, at least with a Facebook page or a Facebook profile around your or a Facebook page around your passion. Connect with people doing something similar. Comment on their blog or their pages or group. join some groups pertaining to your industry. You really shouldn't consider them as competition because honestly speaking, there is room for everyone online. And if there is competition, it means that the topic or the area in which you are planning to create an online business it has got demand. So work on your story that is going to be your differentiator. Step number 5, get the online backbone of your business ready. See, I teach personal branding and social media marketing to most of my clients as I feel that it is one of the easiest ways to be authentic and to be able to grow your business. So create a blog in your name or a website and set up your social media accounts properly, and that is going to be your hub, the backbone of your business, and you need to start working on building your expertise or authority. Uh, and you need to strategically position yourself uh, when you start working on your personal branding, because as far as online entrepreneurship is concerned, personal branding is all about positioning yourself. Step number 6 is you need to have a game plan. You need to prepare a business or a marketing plan and organize your actions for each day of the week. The more routine and structures you put in place, the easier it will be for you to get as weeks turn into months. And it will be giving you clarity on what you need to do each day and where it will take you after a month or 6 months or 1 year. Step number 7 is become the expert within your community. See, become the go-to person for that specific matter or topic, both offline and online. And there are many ways to become the go-to expert in any field. You can write about the subject matter, you can create content at all levels, share stories or interview experts in your industry, create question answer sessions on your social media accounts. You can share the journey of how you got started and where you are at now. You can help others on social media and share your tips. You can hold workshops or master classes on specific areas of your expertise. So there are a lot of ways uh, which you can uh, adopt to or resort to become the go-to expert or the authority in your specific topic or industry or niche. Step number 8 is you need to work on your personal brand every day. Yes, you are your own brand. So your story, your background, your experience, your personality make you unique, and that is what will attract people to your offering. As a service provider or as a digital entrepreneur, you are not selling commodities. So don't try to different uh, don't yourself on the pricing. And your energy and story is what will attract your soulmate clients to you. So read and learn about branding and attraction marketing and concentrate on traffic generation activities that will lead you to your followers and will attract your audience and either clients to your website or your product or service or to your business. Step number 9 is test and adjust. Yes, perform regular assessments and reviews of your website or content and service offered creation, um, and make necessary adjustments to your business. Because your first version of your content or website or um, The course, even the course or the product or the service may not be perfect, but publish it anyway. Introduce it into the market anyway. You can always go back and improve it later on. So don't let perfection hinder your progress. You will learn along the way. All you need is testing and tweaking and introducing, bettering it. Step number 10 is celebrate every success. Remember why you wanted to create an online business in the first place? Yes, your why is what is going to help you make it through hard times. So remember to celebrate every success along the way, even the smaller ones. So I hope you are ready to make the most of your life as an entrepreneur and enjoy the freedom that owning your own online business brings you. In case you need more hand holding and step by step guiding to set up your first online business, schedule a free clarity call with me and I will guide you rightly to your turn your passion or expertise or knowledge or skill into a profitable 5 to 6 figure online business in less than a year. In fact, we have a special system called SLS system wherein you can launch your first or the next digital core business as early as possible, even less than a week, without any overwhelm of tech or resources and without wasting much time on the unwanted stuff. So, hoping to see you inside the program and wishing you all the very best in your online entrepreneurship journey. See you soon.